Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Headset firmware and companion app are up to date because mismatched software breaks handshakes. Next, check your router bands too. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and note which your headset prefers. If you can, log into the router admin now, keep SSID and password ready. Once done, reboot both router and headset in that order. And watch for the headset's Wi-Fi list to repopulate. This begins the actual connection sequence. Now you perform mid-level tuning to stabilize the link. Assign a static IP or create a DHCP reservation so your headset won't conflict with other devices. This prevents frequent drops. Then scan nearby channels and switch to a clear 2. 4 GHz channel, typically 1, 6, or 11, because interference kills VR streams. Make sure security uses WPA2 or WPA3 for compatibility. Avoid enterprise/EAP unless configured. Finish by validating performance. Run a speed and latency test from the headset or a nearby phone while standing where you play. If throughput or ping is poor, try a wired backhaul for the router or add a mesh node or Wi-Fi extender close to your VR area, because distance is the usual culprit. If problems persist, collect connection logs, then factory reset the headset as a last resort. This clears corrupted configs. One key tip: disable VPNs and proxies first. Those often break headset authentication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.